Everyone, myself Himanshi Yadav from J3 Academy. Today I am present here to teach you class 12 subject math and same topic matrix. Now look question number 1. Question number 1 is if A is you have to give matrix 3 by 3 order. You have to prove AQ minus 6A square plus 7A plus 2I is equal to 0. So first of all students we find A. You have to give an A only. After you have to find AQ A square. So first of all students, A square we can write as A into A. So you have to give a matrix A 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3. Again we write 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3. Now we do solve. This is the first row. So first row, first column. After it, first row, second column, first row, third column, as so on. So now we do solve. 1 multiply 1 plus 0 multiply 0 plus 2 multiply 2. After it, 1 multiply 0 plus 0 multiply 2 plus 2 multiply 0. Last 1 multiply 2 plus 0 multiply 1 plus 2 multiply 3. Now same as second row, as shown. 0 multiply 1 plus 2 multiply 0 plus 1 multiply 2. Again 0 multiply 0 plus 2 multiply 2 plus 1 multiply 0. Last 0 multiply 2 plus 2 multiply 1 plus 1 multiply 3. Next 0 multiply last 2 multiply 1 plus 0 multiply 0 plus 3 multiply 2. Again after it 2 multiply 0 plus 0 multiply 2 plus 3 multiply 0. Next 2 multiply 2 plus 0 multiply 1 plus 3 multiply 3. Now we do solve. 1 multiply 1 1 0 2 2 is 4 4 plus 1 5. Here 0 0 1 2 is 2 2 1 is 2 0 3 2 is 6 6 plus 2 8 0 0 0 0 2 2 is 4 0 4 0 0 0 2 0 3 2 is 6 6 plus 2 8 0 2 1 3 is 3 3 2 5 2 2 is 4 3 is 9 9 plus 4 13. Now after it AQ we can write as A square into A. So A square is this matrix 5 2 8 0 4 0 8 5 13. After it into A is 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3. Now again we multiply, same process. First row, this column, after it 5 multiply 1 plus 0 multiply 0 plus 8 multiply 2. After it 5 multiply 0 plus 0 multiply 2 plus 8 multiply 0. Next 5 multiply 2 plus 0 multiply 1 plus 8 multiply 3. Next 2 multiply 1 plus 4 multiply 0 plus 5 multiply 2. 2 multiply 0 plus 4 multiply 2 plus 5 multiply 0. 2 multiply 2 plus 4 multiply 1 plus 5 multiply 3. Last 8 multiply 1 plus 0 multiply 0 plus 13 multiply 2, 8 multiply 0 plus 0 multiply 2 plus 13 multiply 0, 8 multiply 2 plus 0 multiply 1 plus 13 multiply 3. Now we do solve. 5 1 is 5, 0, 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 5, 21. Next 2 1 is 2, 0, 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 8 1 is 8, 0, 26, 26 plus 8, 34. 0 0 0, 0 0, 4 2 is 8, 0 0 0, 5 2 is 10, 0 8 3 is 24, 24 plus 10, 34, 2 2 is 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 15 plus 8, 23, 8 2 is 16 plus 39, 39 16, 55. Now after it 7a. So 7a means you have to multiply 7 in this matrix. So 7 1 is 7, 0, 7 2 is 14, 0, 14, 0, 14, 7, 21. Now we all value this, putting in this equation. First of all we write equation. Your AQ is this. (21, 12, 34, 0, 8, 0, 34, 23, 55 minus 6. Since I want multiply by 6 in this a square. So any column 6a square. A square is this matrix, so we multiply 6a square. The matrix will be multiply by 6. 6 5 is 30, 6 2 is 12, or 8 6 is 48, 0, 24, 0, 32, 20, 52. So we write directly 6a square is 30, 0, 32, 12, 24, 20, 48, 0, 52 plus 7a. 7a. 7a is this. 7, 0, 14, 0, 14, 7, 14, 0, 21 plus 2i. I means identity matrix. So identity matrix will be 3 by 3 is 1. So we do directly multiply. 2i is, first of all, identity matrix will be, we write 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is the identity matrix of 3 by 3. Instead you have to find 2i. So 2 0 0 0 2 0 2 0 0 2. So we write directly 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. Now we will solve this same as first element. 21 minus 30 plus 7 plus 2. After it 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Last 34 minus 32 plus 14. A square I think there is something. A square. A square is this matrix, na? So 6a square, 8 6 48. So 6a square is 48. Now 34 minus 48 plus 14 plus 0. Now second, 12 minus 12 plus 12 minus 12 plus 0 plus 0, same as 8 minus 24 plus 14 plus 2. Last one is 23 minus 20 plus 7 plus 0. 7 plus 0. And last one is 34 minus 48 plus 14 plus 0. 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0. 55 minus 52 plus, since I think there is something wrong, 21. 1 minute. 7a. No, a is 7 3s are 7a. 7 3s are 21. Okay, right. After it, 1 minute, a cube. Very last question. 6a square is 55. 21 plus 7a. 21. I think 1 minute. There is something wrong. Now, firstly, we do write 7 to 9, 21 plus 9, 30. 30 minus 30. Here 0, 0. 12 minus 12, 0. Okay, if you want to write directly, 7 plus 2, 9. 9, 21 plus 9, 30. 30 minus 30, 0. Here 34 plus 14, 48. 48 minus 48, 0. Here 0. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 minus 24, 0. Here 0. 14 plus 34, 48. 48 minus 48, 0. Now here you have to look these two questions. This number is 23 minus 20 plus 7. 7a. A is 7. One minute, students. I think there is something wrong. Third one. 1 3 is 3 plus 2 5. After it, 2 2 is 4 plus 2 2 is 4 plus 4. 5 3 is 15. 4 plus 5, 4 plus 4, 8. 15 plus 8, 23. 15 plus 8, 23. And here 39, 16, 39, 16, 45, 55. 55. So 7, 1 0 0 0. 6a square minus plus 2i. 2 6a square. A square is 5. So 12, 48, 0, 24. 8 6 are 48. Students, look. Here a square is this matrix, no? So 6a square we have to multiply by 6. So 6 8 ja 48, 6 5 ja students 13, and 13 6 ja 78. So here students 30 and 78. Now look, sorry for 23. Students, 23 minus 30 plus 7. After it, 55 minus 78 plus 21 plus 2. Now look, beta 23 plus 7 30, 30 minus 30 0. After it 21 plus 2 23, 23 plus 55 78, 78 minus 78 0. It means your matrix is 0, so you can write as directly 0. It's students, I want with the help of this question you have to solve one more question. If A equal to 1 2 3 4 5 0 6 8 1, from here find the value of AQ minus 6A square plus 5A minus 7I. This is your homework. Okay.